does appear to be pushing the center in.
Right now we're just pressing this sleeve the rest of the way out. This will be a multi-step process right now.
All right, so pressing it out in pieces is gonna happen, and the next part, we're gonna take an air hammer and try to roll in the outer edge of the bushing and push it out the frame using the air hammers. So we got the old bushing chiseled out with the air hammer, and now we're gonna put the new one in. This one's been sitting in the freezer for a few hours. It's nice and cold. We're gonna go ahead and put this in. Most likely it'll tap right in, but we'll have the press ready just in case.
See what happens here. Yeah, we will need to press it in. Should slide over here. Looking good. More. Right there's bottomed out. It's installed. So right now we're lining up the center pin. That's on the spring perch. So just forward a little bit.
Right there.
Few
All right.
bolts.
4 nuts, 4 big washers. All right, new leaf spring in. Everything is snug but not tight. I'm going to go ahead and install this shock.
So next we will just have to look up torque specs on these, and then we're done with the suspension on this side.